Hey all, so you've opened up a copy of Maya, you're working away quite happily, and then you try to open up a tool that has a floating window, and the window is nowhere to be seen. What's going on? Where is it? I know, and I know how to fix it. And I'm going to show you how to fix it, because I'm a nice guy. Let me show you. So this typically happens when you share a file between multiple computers, and in particular when the first computer has a multiple monitor setup and the configuration of the screens changes between computers. Now, your configuration may look the same, you may both be using two screens. It could just be as simple as your graphics card choosing to render what you see in a slightly different order. What's actually happening is, let's say you open up Maya on your right-hand screen, and then you put all your floating tools on the left-hand screen. Now when you close down that file and you go to a different computer and open it up, and Maya defaults to opening on the left-hand screen. Now when you open up all your tools, Maya is remembering where these tools were relative to the main UI, and is opening them up to the left. So they're actually opening up off screen. Fixing this is really straightforward. What you've got to do is you've got to go to the tool, open up the tool. Now don't do anything at all. Don't move your mouse or don't touch anything after this. That tool is now the active UI. Even though it's off screen, it's still the active UI. You're going to hold down Alt and press the space bar, and you'll see this little menu pop up. This is going to typically pop up on the edge of the screen in the direction that the window is off screen. It's just come as far back onto screen as it can. You're going to select Move, and don't touch anything again. When you select Move, if you now hit one of the arrow keys, any one, that UI is now pinned to your mouse, still off screen possibly, but now you can move your mouse around and you can drag it back onto screen. And then just click to release and you have your window back. Nice and simple. Hope you found that useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. And if you have any videos you'd like to see or any questions or this isn't working for you, please post them down below. I'll see what I can do. Thanks a lot. See ya.